you can find good talent on the way. It's not that, well, I will do my research and I will find someone and then I will keep it. You need to give immediately when you invite someone to work with you, you need to give the confidence in all dimensions. And then observe on the way if he's the right person or not. And well, in my case, my leadership style is very humanistic. It's very bonding oriented. No? Then during the years, I create very profound bonds with these talented people, and then we are working now for 25 years together. It's like it's not a family, but it's a kind of family. You see, it became a family. We have very hard conversation, very difficult conversation. We have great, successful moments, but we have also difficult conversation, wonderful moments, successful moments, and you need to be patient. You need to enjoy the time together, and and think that the people is not disposable. We have problems inside of us, and you need to manage them.